Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial. This is the third tutorial in statistical analysis using R programming, and in this we are going to calculate the median and the mode. So mode is the most occurring item if you have 10, 11, 10, 12, 10, 13. So you can easily see that the 10 is occurring the most frequently. Okay, the most occurring figure in your data is 10. So 10 is the mode of your series. Okay, and median is the mid value of the series. And there are two ways to calculate median. First is the odd. If you are having the odd values like 9, then the fifth value is the median. Okay, if you're having the 10 values in your data, then what you can do, then you can take the two observation in between, like the fifth and the sixth. Okay, the fifth and the sixth observation is the middle value of the data. Then you can calculate the average of the middle two values if you want to calculate the median. So this is the simple tutorial, and just without any further delay, just move into the R script. Hello guys, welcome to my R studio. So for mode, I want to say that there is no specific function to calculate mode. We can just use a traditional way to calculate the mode, the most occurring frequency. Okay, and for median we have a function of median. So we are again playing with the student vectors, and just check the median function. What median function say? Median. Control enter. Okay. So this is the median function. Median function is very simple. Here, it says that you have an argument x, the object you want to find the median, and the second argument is na.rm. Na.rm is to remove the effect of the null values or the missing values or the na values. Okay, and x is an object like a student vector. X is like a student vectors, and you want to find median. Okay, of student height. So x is a vector, or x is a data, x is a column name or the matrix, right? So it's like an object which contain values, and you want to find the average median of that value, okay, of that vectors. Now student height, this is the vector we have seen earlier, and it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observation it contains, and we are calculating the height. Now the question is, we want to calculate the median height of this class. Median height of this class. Okay, so first of all, run this vector, the student height. Now check the value of the student dot height. Student dot height. And it contains these values. Okay, now the vector is successfully run. Now we want to check the median. Okay, so for median, the function is median itself. Okay, and just want to pass the vector name. Okay, student height is a vector, and just run this command. Control enter, and 111 is the median height. But what do you think? Is this correct? Is this median value is correct? The traditional way to find median is to arrange the data. First of all, arrange the data in ascending or in descending order, right? If we arrange the data in ascending and descending order, then we are able to correctly extract the median value from the data. So we are sorting this data using the sort function, and if we are not saying anything to the sort function, then it arrange the data in a ascending order. And if we are saying that if we want to arrange in a descending order, then we can simply take a help, and I can easily say, if you want the decreasing, then you have to say this as true. Okay, so this is the sort function. You have to pass the vector, and then if you want the vector in a descending order or a table in descending order, then you have to say decreasing equal to true. Otherwise it will give you a default set ascending order. So we right now we want to calculate in a ascending order. So we are saying that sorting the student height in an ascending order. So press control enter. So it sorted the height in ascending order. Like the previous one is 100, 106, 121. Now it is the range 100, 103, 106, 109. Okay. Now just back to the median function. Right now, let's check out what median is. Okay. Press Control Enter. Now again the 111. This is the right median value we extracted from this data. Okay. Now just if you want if you have any values in your data, then you have to just pass the argument student height comma na dot rm equal to true to remove the effect of the na value. Now just moving with the mode, there is no direct command to find the mode in R. So we are creating a table using the table function. We are creating a table of a student height. Run this command, then it gives you a table like this with the frequencies. Okay, and these are the frequencies below. Every value 100 is appearing one time, 111 is appearing two times. From this we can easily say that 111 is the mode, but we want to extract that it appears to be in descending order, so we can easily extract the first value from the data. Like the first value is the descending one. So we are again we are saving the table in component A, and now we are sorted again and we are extracting the first value. So let's run this command sort A comma decreasing equal to true, and we are extracting the first value. Now it gives us that 101 appearing two times. Okay. So this is the script and this is the tutorial on median and mode. Hope you liked it, and if you like us, so please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you liked it and subscribe us as well. Thank you.